Made in 2017, Cardano stunned the digital currency market by scaling to 11th spot among the top coins by market capitalization. Quick forward to 2023. And keeping in mind that ADA has made adequate degrees of progress in the crypto space with its activity, the bigger negative feeling has raised a ruckus around town cost adversely. Yet, the new interest is further siphoning its cost and drawing it nearer to in this How to Purchase Cardano guide. We make sense of all that you want to find out about this undertaking and the stages to buy ADA. What is Cardano? Cardano is an elite exhibition blockchain stage that has become extraordinarily famous in 2021. The blockchain has situated itself as one of the most unmistakable Ethereum executioners basically. Blockchains that hope to take Ethereum's piece of the pie and become greater than the blockchain behemoth. Cardano works as a decentralized verification of stake blockchain that offers higher effectiveness in handling and application improvement. The stage hopes to work on the interoperability, adaptability, and maintainability of evidence of work blockchains like Bitcoin and, for the present, Ethereum. The Cardano blockchain was created by Information Result Hong Kong, a Hong Kong-based blockchain firm established by Ethereum Prime supporter Charles Hoskinson. During his time at Ethereum, Hoskinson had gotten a legitimate handle of the difficulties confronting blockchain stages all around the business. He began creating Cardano and its ADA digital currency in 2015. The stage and token were ultimately sent off in 2017. Since its send-off, Cardano has situated itself as a greatly improved option in contrast to Ethereum. The two stages are practically the same, and they hope to construct an interconnected, decentralized framework. Yet, as IOKH puts it, Cardano is further developed than its ancestor. In addition to other things, Cardano's essential capability is character the executives and recognizability. The previous capability permits Cardano to smooth out and improve on the cycles that require multi-source information assortment. Concerning the last option, Cardano permits clients to track and review item developments across supply chains. Along these lines, the blockchain assists with lessening the utilization of fake items across the world. Cardano has likewise moved forward its effectiveness on account of the send-off of Shrewd agreements. The blockchain sent off its Alonzo hard fork in September 2021, carrying Shrewd agreements to its element. This implies that engineers can now assemble decentralized applications on Cardano, similar as they do on Ethereum and different chains. Additionally, regardless of the monetary slump influencing the Cardano cost, individuals have not quit utilizing it. In quite possibly of their most recent tweet, Cardano uncovered details featuring month-to-month exchanges on this chain. That pattern mirrors the new upsurge in Cardano's value, which was generally because of Bitcoin's acquiring support in the cryptographic money market. While the bullishness has dialed back after the bullish furor of January, Cardano, in any case, stays a commendable cryptographic money to put resources into 2023. Is it worth purchasing Cardano in 2023? 2022 wasn't the greatest year for Cardano, and its vast majority wasn't because of its own issue. The token pursued the negative directions of Bitcoin and other major altcoins, which dropped ADA from being one of the main 5 cryptos to the best 10 cryptos by market capitalization. Nonetheless, the Symbolics exhibition in mid-2023 is giving digital money financial backers some expectation, while the instability is not even close to finished, and the Symbolics cost ha balanced out after the underlying upsurge, better days can occur. Another explanation we consider Cardano a commendable digital currency venture is a result of its utility. The Shrewd Agreement Empowering Agent blockchain was perhaps the earliest utility token to exist. Also, starting around 2023 is one that will zero in most on digital currencies with use cases. Cardano can possibly demonstrate of having significant potential gains for the people who contribute now. Putting resources into Cardano versus exchanging Cardano. Individuals searching for crypto openness will generally either contribute or exchange a resource. The two techniques have their benefits and bad marks, obviously. At the point when you put resources into ADA, you buy the coin and hold it for quite a while, generally months or years. This implies that you anticipate that its cost should hop in the long haul, and you're willing to overlook transient value developments and stand firm on your situation. Contributing is beneficial in light of the fact that you don't get to annoy a lot about the market. While you really want to watch out for the coin now and again, you have the big picture approach as a main priority, and you're not stressed over little swings. Likewise, with ADA being moved by major areas of strength for in Cardano, you have a higher possibility netting those drawn-out gains you're searching for. Simply consider the coin's year-to-date execution in 2021, and you can see. With respect to exchanging, you're pursuing speculative choices in view of the coin's short and medium-term projections. Exchanging permits you to profit from ADA's value unpredictability, and it very well may be a gigantic procuring an open door for you. In any case, you likewise need to watch out for the market and take actions in light of its course. Along these lines, you know when to enter and leave the market to expand your benefits. Purchasing Cardano as a CFD item. Contract for contrasts is a monetary agreement that has become progressively famous because of its benefits. Like a few other crypto resources, Cardano can likewise be exchanged as a CFD item. A CFD is basically an agreement understanding between a financial backer and a specialist to exchange the worth of a monetary item. High-level dealers generally use CFDs given the shortfall of putting away the resource, simplicity of execution, and the natural capacity to go long or short in a specific exchange. Utilizing a CFD exchanging system guarantees that you benefit from the value swings of Cardano while not straightforwardly holding the resource, albeit a few representatives offer CFD exchanging capacities. eToro is a top CFD merchant with a sound supply of crypto resources. The social exchanging stage is additionally controlled and has super low expenses. Tax assessment on Cardano income. Tax collection is a vital piece of any monetary exchange, and financial backers are expected to pay a negligible portion of their benefits. The crypto space has acquired a sizable significance, and government offices like the U.S. Protections and Trade Commission are investigating ways of directing the early business. Beside the SEC, the Inside Income Administration is likewise dealing with a crypto charge system. As indicated by the duty organization, cryptographic forms of money are considered as properties and in this way can be treated under the Capital Additions section. In the interim, there are specific conditions that crypto exchanges are burdened under the pay. Cardano versus Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most perceived digital currency on the lookout and the antecedent to the Cardano organization. Bitcoin's hard cap cutoff of just 21 million tokens has seen a few financial backers term it as computerized gold. It likewise controls the biggest portion of the crypto market, with practically half of the market cap credited to the benchmark crypto. Cardano versus Ethereum. Similar as Bitcoin, the Ethereum blockchain is seen as a leader for the quickly extending DeFi biological system. The Decentralized Applications Facilitator is home to more than 3,000 top-performing DApp conventions and has a 20% stake in the crypto market. Its inevitable change to a POS agreement model is supposed to help the worth of the ETH token. Cardano's Solana. Like Cardano, Solana is a well-known Ethereum executioner and tries to empower inescapable DeFi administration. Its POS and PO timing components make Solana one of the quickest DApp facilitators in the blockchain biological system. Solana is likewise financially savvy and energy proficient, and this has drawn in a few DApp conventions somewhat recently. Cardano versus Dogecoin. Dogecoin was made in 2013 as a response to the unexpected spike in crypto projects, intended to be a joke cash for tipping clients. Dogecoin has since grown out of its unique vision. It is presently promoted as a more decentralized and feasible virtual money than Bitcoin by any semblance of Tesla manager Elon Musk. This previous year, Dogecoin has seen remarkable development in its convention, with additional financial backers adding Doge to their portfolio. Cardano versus XRP. Dissimilar to a few crypto conventions, XRP is a computerized token